Hello students, in previous video we have started the word problems based on subtraction and we have done the two questions of worksheet number 8, that is A and B part. Now today we will discuss the remaining parts of worksheet number 8, that is question number C. Question is, how much more is 16,500 than 14,756? So try to understand the question. It is asked that you know that 16,500 is greater than 14,756, but by how much? How much more 16,500 is than 14,756? For that, let us take one example. Suppose we will take the smaller numbers to understand this question. Suppose there are two numbers 10 and 8. Now you have to tell me how much 10 is greater than 8 or more than 8. You know that 10 is 2 more than 8, but how it comes? By subtracting it we get their difference. So how much more? That means we have to find the difference between these two numbers. So this is a very easy question. So the question is, how much more is 16,500 than this? So just subtract it. 16,500 minus 14,756. Subtract it. Make the upper digits greater. 0 is smaller than 6. So 10. We have borrowed, so it becomes 9, because here again we have to borrow. What will left over here is 4. Now 4 is smaller than 7, so we have to borrow again. It will become 14, and what is left over here is 5. Now 5 is greater than 4 is fine. We can also cut if we want to cut. Now 10 minus 6 is 4, 9 minus 5 is again 4, 14 minus 7 is 7, and 5 minus 4 is 1. So here we got the difference. So we can write the answer that 16,500 is 1,744 more than 14,756. So this is a very easy question. Let us move to the next question. That is question number D. What must be subtracted from 5,25,873 to get 1,75,693. So here is the question. The question is, what must be subtracted from this? That means we need a number which is subtracted from this, and we will get the answer this. To try to understand this question, we'll take the smaller digits again. Suppose we will take 10. So what should we subtract from 10 to get an answer 4? Yes, you know 6, but how it comes? For that, we have to subtract these two to get this answer. 10 minus 4 is 6. 10 minus 4 is 6. So this is the answer. So we will write 6 over here. So 10 minus 6 is 4. In this way, by subtracting these two numbers, we will get the required number. So let us solve this question again. Solution. Five lakh 25,873 minus 1,75,693. Subtract them. First of all, we will make the upper digits greater. Here 3 and 3 is equal, it's fine. 7 is smaller, so we will borrow. It will become 17. What is left over here is 7. 7 is greater than 6, so it is fine. 5 and 5 is equal, it's fine. 2 is smaller, so we will borrow. It will become 12, and what is left over here is 4. Now subtract it, 0. 17 minus 9 is 8. Then 7 minus 6 is 1. 5 minus 5 is 0. 12 minus 7 is 5. And 4 minus 1 is 3. So this is the required number. So we'll write the answer. 3,50,180 must be subtracted from 5,25,873 to get 1,75,693. You can also check this by subtracting this and this. If you get this answer, that means your answer is correct. So in this way, we can solve these questions. Now, next is our value-based question. So we'll read this story and try to solve these questions. So the story is Amol, Deepak and Krishna were good friends. Here are the 3 friends and they all are very good friends. Of these 3 friends, Krishna was very poor. He was not able to buy new books and new sets of uniform for his new class. Amol and Deepak wanted to help Krishna. They spoke to their parents and gave rupees 1,250 and rupees 1,075 to Krishna. It helped Krishna buy books and uniform for his new class. So this is the story about the 3 friends. Out of these 3, one is very poor. He don't have money to buy new books and uniform. So his friends Deepak and Amol spoke to their parents, who gave them rupees 1,250 and 1,075. They have collected that money and gave it to Krishna. And from that money, Krishna purchased the books and the new uniform for new class. So the question is, how much money did Amol and Deepak give to Krishna? What will you do to find the amount which is given by Amol and Deepak to Krishna? Just think about it. Yes. We will add the money given by Amol and Deepak. By adding these two, that is 1250 and 1075, when we add these two, then we get the total money that is given to Krishna. So we will get the answer. Next is, if Krishna needed 2000 rupees 2000 for his new books and uniform, how much money is left with him? So first of all, we will find how much money Amol and Deepak have given to Krishna. So value-based question. So answer of first question. First question was, how much money did Amol and Deepak give to Krishna? The money given by Amol and money given by Deepak. Now money given to Krishna, we will get the answer. So money given by Amol is rupees 1250 and money given by Deepak is 1075. We will add this, so we'll get the answer. 5 plus 0 0, 7 plus 5 is 12, 2 plus 1 is 3 and 2. So this is the money given to Krishna. Now the second question is, if Krishna needed rupees 2000 for his new books and uniform, then how much money is left with him? So you know, whenever we have to find out the left thing, then which operation we use? Yes, we will subtract. So money with Krishna. So how much money Krishna have? That is rupees 2325. And money spent on new books or and uniform. Money needed, or you can say spend, is equal to rupees 2000. So you have to find out the money left. Money left. So how much money is left with Krishna? So it is 5230. That means 325 rupees is left with Krishna. Now the third question is, how do you feel when you help others? This is the question for you. I hope that all of you must help others. Make it a habit that always help a needy person. So you must have helped someone in your life. So how do you feel when you help others? Obviously, we all feel very good after helping others. We should always help in others in our life. Thank you.